All right, honey, you want your ball? Here we go. I got the tennis ball. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl, honey. You can drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Good. No, drop it. I'm so excited. Sit. Oh, that's good. Good sit. All right, you ready? Oh, honey, you are fast. You're a good girl, honey. Oh, there's Birdie. Hey, Birdie. All right, honey. Sit. Good girl. She's obsessed with the tennis ball. You ready? You ready? Where are you going? Where are you going?